I used to think the scariest part of living alone was the noise, pipes, knocking, floors creaking, but then I found something worse. Every night, right before I fell asleep, I'd hear a door slam shut somewhere in my apartment. I checked every room, but nothing was ever out of place. Until one morning, I woke up and found a door wide open that I know I had shut. And that's when I realized. Hey, hold on. What was that over there? No, not that. Towards the wall. Yeah, that door. Go on in. You didn't think we forgot, did you? Happy birthday, Steve. Parkour shoes. Those are from Sound Guy. Jump boost and swiftness potions were from the editor. And an enchanted fishing rod from Social Media Guy. Oh, and the boat? Yeah, that one's from me. Hold on to that. Take the day off. I'll see you tomorrow, friend.